Hi, I'm pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson. You're watching Get Your Sax Together. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to play the theme from Game of Thrones. This video is part of my Hall of Fame series, and you can find the other videos linked up there. I've got a fantastic PDF that you can get by following a link down in the description. And that is going to include music for alto and tenor sax, so you've got all your bases covered there. As usual, if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified of new videos. I'm a massive Game of Thrones fan from the books and the TV show, so I can't wait to teach you this, so let's get going. Okay, so the Game of Thrones theme is played on strings and has a kind of rolling 6/8 rhythm to it. To keep things simple, I've written it out in 3/4 in the free PDF that you can find linked down below. So let's subdivide this into separate phrases, and there are 4 main phrases to learn for this tune. So I'm going to play this on alto, but you're going to get the fingerings and notes for alto and tenor on this video. So let's start with phrase 1. That's phrase 1. Now let's move on to the second phrase. Obviously, I'm playing it with a nice slow rhythm, so you can work out the notes by looking at the diagrams, and then I'll speed it up later. Now, those first 2 phrases both repeat, so you play phrase 1, phrase 2, and then go back and play phrase 1 and phrase 2 again. So let's now move on to phrase 3. Now phrase 4 is almost exactly the same as phrase 3, but with a slightly different ending. Now at the end of this one, we're going to tag on the counter line, because I think it's going to work well for playing the arrangement. So let's do phrase 4. Now I'm going to play phrase 1, phrase 2, and then phrase 3 and phrase 4. But in the actual arrangement, phrases 1 and 2 repeat before you move on. But for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to do phrase 1, phrase 2, and then move straight on to phrase 3 and phrase 4. Here we go. Now that is the basic melody, but if you get the free PDF linked down in the description, I've also included the counter lines that go with the melody that are actually quite famous as well. So there's 3 different counter lines, the first one being, the second one, and the third one. They come at different points in the tune, but you have to go down and get the free PDF to learn those notes. So that's it, that's all you need to know. It's in exactly the same key as the original, so you can play along with the telly and impress your friends at the same time. So I hope you enjoyed the video today, learning how to play the theme from Game of Thrones. Like I mentioned before, go down into the description below to find the link, which will get you a free PDF with all the music written out for alto sax and tenor sax. If you like what you see, please do share the love and subscribe down below, and ring that bell to be notified when I upload new videos. And I'll see you next time on Get Your Sax Together. Laters!